Alright, today we're going to be installing LED lights on our 2005 Chevy Silverado, and they're for the license plates. So let me show you guys. These are the old ones right here. We got that one. And we got that one right there. I don't know if the bulb is blown out on it, but we're going to go ahead and replace it. So let's get started. No, I'm still recording here. I'm gonna go right here. Well, that right there, you just pulls right out. Get this harness. You twist this one and it just pulls right out. The harness, on the other hand, alright, so essentially this, let me show you. Oh, I lost it. So I guess I'll show you guys what I did. Here we go. So that's basically what I did. It didn't want to come out. Broke this piece off. It's supposed to slide in there, right there. It sits like that. I think you're supposed to push this one in or this. I can't remember. But I basically just broke that off right there. So this is what we need right here. We're gonna pull this bulb out. I don't think it's working. And we're gonna install our new LED tag lights. Sit this down. I'm gonna go around and see if it's working. There we go. Yes. There we go. Alright. So we're just gonna plug this back in here. Oh, we gotta put it back in the housing. Don't forget to put it in the housing. Here, hold this one. Hold it just like that. In both hands. Hold it. Man, it's dirty, boy. Hold it for me. So you stick this in here. And it goes in just like that. Come around here. Point it down. Alright. Stick that back there. Oh. Stick that back there. There it is. Got that one in. Now we're gonna install the next one, and I'll show you guys what it looks like.